The Supreme Court on Thursday night clarified that its ruling in the League of Cities case, a decision cited by Senator Risa Hontiveros, was not unanimous.
That in fact, the Supreme Court has reversed a unanimous decision in a lot of instances before. Dalawa lang po ang ibibigay kong halimbawa. League of Cities of the Philippines versus COMELEC. Original decision 2008, reversal on motion for reconsideration 2009. Isa pa pong halimbawa, International Service for the Acquisition of Agri-Biotech Applications Inc. o ISAA et al. Versus Greenpeace Southeast Asia. Original decision, unanimous, December 8, 2015. Reversed unanimously on MR din, July 26, 2016. So, hindi lang po tulad nung sinabi ni Minority Leader na there's always a first time, it has happened before.
The clarification from the SC comes after Hontiveros cited the case as one of the examples of the High Court previously reversing itself in unanimous decisions. Hontiveros' statements were made in the context of the debate over the archiving of impeachment complaint against Vice President Sara Duterte, which the SC had previously invalidated in a 13-0 vote. In a statement to media, SC spokesperson Camille Ting stated, "We clarify that the Supreme Court's ruling in the League of Cities case was not unanimous. Please refer to the decision and resolutions published in the Supreme Court e-library and the Philippine reports." Ting added that the court was uncertain as to the source of the claim that the decision was unanimous. During the Senate's deliberation on whether to archive the impeachment complaints, Hontiveros cited the League of Cities case as an example of the court reversing a prior ruling on a motion for reconsideration. She also referenced the International Service for the Acquisition of Agri-Biotech Applications Inc. et al. v. Greenpeace Southeast Asia case, where a unanimous decision was similarly reversed. Hontiveros' statements were intended to support the position of Senate Minority Leader Tito Sotto.
If we prematurely dismiss the case and the Supreme Court subsequently grants the MR and reverses its own decision,
who had suggested that the Senate wait for the SC's final ruling on a pending motion for reconsideration related to the Duterte impeachment case before taking further action. Ipinabatid ng tagapagsalita ng Korte Suprema na si Camille Ting na ang desisyon ng Korte Suprema sa kasong League of Cities of the Philippines versus Commission on Elections, COMELEC, ay hindi naging unanimous. Ayon sa kanya, dapat sumangguni sa decision and resolutions na nakalathala sa Supreme Court e-library at sa Philippine reports upang masuri ang tunay na bilang ng boto. Sinabi rin ni Ting na hindi malinaw kung saan nanggaling ang pahayag na naging unanimous ang naturang desisyon. Bilang tugon, nagbanggit si Senadora Risa Hontiveros ng ibang kaso na, ayon sa kanya, ay in-reverse ng en banc na unanimous. Ani Hontiveros, the fact remains that at least one unanimous case was reversed en banc, and it is not unheard of. This is a reminder that no one is immune from error. The most important thing is to correct it. Ang paglilinaw ng Korte Suprema ay kaugnay ng naging pahayag ni Hontiveros noong Miyerkules, kung saan nagbanggit siya ng dalawang pagkakataon na ang Korte ay nagbago ng desisyon. Ginawa niya ito sa gitna ng deliberasyon tungkol sa impeachment and complaint laban kay Vice Presidente Sara Duterte na idineklara ng Korte bilang hindi naayon sa konstitusyon. Ang Senado ay nag-archive ng kaso sa botong 1941. Dalawang kaso ang binanggit ni Hontiveros. Una, ang League of Cities versus COMELEC, kung saan inaprubahan ng en banc ang motion for reconsideration at idineklara ang 16 cityhood laws bilang constitutional noong 2010. At pangalawa, ang International Service for the Acquisition of Agri-Biotech Applications, Inc. versus Greenpeace Southeast Asia, Philippines, kung saan ang orihinal na desisyon noong Disyembre 8, 2015 ay naging unanimous. At ang motion for reconsideration ay na-reverse rin ng unanimous noong Hulyo 26, 2016. Hindi dapat palampasin ang ginawa ni Senadora Risa Hontiveros. Ang paggamit niya ng maling impormasyon at pagsasabing unanimous ang ruling ng Korte Suprema sa League of Cities case ay isang malinaw na kasinungalingan na nakakapinsala sa kredibilidad ng Senado. Mismong Korte Suprema nang nagsabi, hindi unanimous ang desisyong iyon at hindi rin nila alam kung saan nanggaling ang pahayag ni Hontiveros. Sa isang sensitibong usapin gaya ng impeachment, ang katotohanan ang dapat mangibabaw, hindi ang pagbabaluktot ng datos para lang suportahan ang sariling posisyon. Ang ganitong gawain ay hindi lamang maling gawain ng isang mambabatas, kundi insulto sa taong bayan na umaasa ng tapat at wasto na paglilingkod.
Gusto ko lang pong bigyan ng point of information, sagot dun sa tanong ng good gentleman mula sa Tarlac, that in fact, the Supreme Court has reversed a unanimous decision in a lot of instances before. Dalawa lang po ang ibibigay kong halimbawa. League of Cities of the Philippines versus COMELEC. Original decision, 2008. Reversal on motion for reconsideration 2009. Isa pa pong halimbawa, International Service for the Acquisition of Agri-Biotech Applications Inc. o ISAA et al. Versus Greenpeace Southeast Asia. Original decision, unanimous, December 8, 2015. Reversed unanimously on MR din, July 26, 2016. So, hindi lang po tulad nung sinabi ni Minority Leader na there's always a first time, it has happened before. So, yung ganitong klaseng milagro na hinahanap, posibleng mangyari din po dito sa kasong pinag-uusapan natin. Malay po natin. Salamat po, Mr.
Noted.
President. Salamat sa good gentleman from Tarlac.
And entered into the record. Senator Marcoleta.
May I know from the good senator if these decisions are bank decisions or divisions?
Yes, Mr. President, unbanked decisions po.
Well, you have to cite the
I would gladly
jurisprudence.
cite the GR number po bang hinihingi, Mr. President?
Pagka sinabi pong bank, lahat po ng members ng Supreme Court, 15 of them, unanimous.
To
Kasi
reiterate
po,
what
baka division lang yan, 5 lang yun. Hindi po
No,
bank
Mr.
yun.
President, to reiterate what I already said, mga ano po ito, mga reversal ng unanimous Supreme Court decisions.
Yes, but I am
At sa
asking for
dalawang
qualification,
halimbawang
Mr. President,
binigay ko
whether
po
these are bank
on
decisions
MR.
or decisions by a division. And whether or not they
Mr.
were
President,
characterized by...
sinabi ko rin na po kanina,
Sandali
unbanked
po.
decisions po ito. Ay, hindi po.
Whether or
I
not
am
the
replying to the
decisions
question.
are characterized by the following qualifications. 1, unconstitutional, void ab initio, violative of due process. All these are present in those jurisprudence and cases as you cited.
Mr.
President.
Mr. President, bagamat para itong yung pinag-uusapan natin kaninang operative facts, kanina simple lang yung tanong eh. May kaso na po ba na ang Supreme Court sa unanimous decision ay ni-reverse ang sarili nila? Ngayon may dinadagdag na tanong. Pero sige po, yung League of Cities of the Philippines versus COMELEC, the Supreme Court in its original decision in 2008 unanimously declared the cityhood laws unconstitutional. I will have to get more information po on the ISAA reversal of unanimous decision. Pero malinaw na mga sagot na po ito dun sa original na tanong. So the original assertion na hindi po natin alam kung na-reverse na ng Supreme Court ang sarili nila sa original na unanimous decision has fallen by the wayside. Kasi the Supreme Court, as I said already earlier, has reversed a unanimous decision unbanked in a lot of instances before. Yun lamang naman po, Mr. President.
Noted and entered
Salamat
into
po.
the records. Majority of Law Leader.
Yes, Mr. President.